I see people doing the weirdest stuff. For instance, this is not a push-up. You need to go low. This is a push-up. Go as low as you possibly can. It's okay if you can't go that low, but get down there, take a video of yourself. It's okay to go on your knees, but again, this is not really doing anything. It's a waste of time. So get up there, get in the right position, and go for it. And again, go as low as you can. Make sure your hands are a little below your shoulders. It's more like by your chest. And next exercise, okay, what is that? Like, is that a dance? You want to work your glutes or your outer legs? I don't know. That's just silly looking. Okay, again, you got to go low. And it hurts because that's how it works. Go slow. It's not a race. Right? Okay, and this is not a squat. I'm not really sure what that is. Like a little pulse there you go. Go way down. And squeeze your booty at the top. Yes, like that. Yeah, and it hurts because you're doing it